Hi everybody, welcome to a special spooky Halloween edition of my cooking show at home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and savory rice-stuffed baked pumpkin. A perfect cozy dish for fall. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Our star ingredient today, of course, is the pumpkin. Choose a small pumpkin, about 5 to 6 inches wide and wider than it is tall. We'll also need 4 cups of long grain rice. Before baking, rinse the rice well with cold water and par-cook it until al dente. Add the rice to a pot with 5 cups of water and a half teaspoon of salt, and cook for about 10 minutes. While the rice cooks, peel and dice 2 medium onions and 2 medium carrots. I'm using red onions today, but any kind works just fine. Next, melt 4 sticks of butter. Pumpkins love butter. Start sautéing the onions first, and once they're translucent, add the carrots. Now let's prepare the pumpkin. Cut off the top like a lid. And scoop out the seeds and fibers, leaving a hollow inside. Cook until everything is nicely caramelized. That will give your dish a rich, nutty flavor. Once the rice is ready, strain it and mix it with the sautéed onion and carrot. Add 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds and another half teaspoon of salt. Mix well, then start stuffing the pumpkin. Leave about 2 to 3 inches at the top, because the rice will expand as it cooks. Put the lid back on and bake in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 1 hour. To check readiness, pierce the pumpkin skin with a knife. If it's soft, it's done. To serve, you can pack the rice into a small bowl or glass to shape it, and serve with a beautiful slice of baked pumpkin. Enjoy this cozy fall dish, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a happy Halloween. See you next time.